Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to link your Instagram account to Facebook. So first, open your Instagram and go to your profile. Then from there, tap the three lines in the top right corner and open your account center. Then select accounts and then tap on choose add accounts. Then select add Facebook account and sign in to the Facebook account you want to connect. Now follow the on-screen instruction to confirm the connection. And once your accounts are linked, you can manage connected experience such as sharing posts and stories between Instagram and Facebook depending on the options available to you. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.